Oh, g'day guys, Bruce, Drain Cleaning Australia. Sorry guys, didn't see you there. Just down the beach and I've had a phone call from a bloody great customer. He's like, Bruce, I've got an emergency on my hands, mate. Do you reckon you can come down? I said, mate, not a problem. I'll see you soon. Just on the way to the next one, guys. And look, before we kick off, I just got to bloody say, thanks very much, guys. I mean, the support I'm getting is just, it's incredible, guys. And I'm bloody mind-blown to find out where you're from, you know. You're sending me messages letting me know where you're from in this world. Keep them coming, you know. Keep them coming. It's bloody fantastic. Now, guys, after the last video, we did a bit of a birthday shout-out to me, mate. And I've actually had a bloody funny request come through during the week. Now, a bloke from the UK has just sent us a message. He's like, mate, I'm getting bloody married in 4 weeks. You reckon you can do a wedding shout-out on one of your videos and we'll pop her up on the big screen on me big day? Now guys, picture this, you know, you've just got married, you got 100 guests at your wedding, and all of a sudden a Drain Cleaning Australia experience pops up on the big screen. Now mate, if you are watching, I just don't think it's a good bloody idea. I mean, have you heard the saying, happy wife, happy life? Yeah. Alright guys, we're here now. So look, everything in the house is blocking up. The toilets, showers, basins. Now here's a plumbing diagram. We've got to try and locate the inspection shaft because something's not right. Something seems damaged. So we're going to have to dig her up and we'll find out. Alright guys, I didn't bloody record the whole digging up process. We'll actually hit the button, but yeah, what do you know? I hit it, but I didn't hit it, you know. So anyway, we're going to throw the jetter down here. Just make sure there's no bloody sand down there, but yeah, you can see it's been damaged. Yeah guys, that line was bloody chockers with sand. So anyway, we jet her out, we got her nice and clean now. So you can see we got the bloody, got the hose down there. We're just making sure she's nice and flush. Now you can see this inspection shaft just snapped off at some point. You can see obviously the sand's just been flushing down the line and causing the blockages for them. Now I was chatting to the owner before, he's bloody lovely bloke, you know. He's saying, look, you know, they do drive the cars on the lawn, they do park them up there. So look, you know, it's fairly obvious that the pipe snapped in the ground from driving over it at some point. Now overnight the sewer's just been overflowing out of this overflow relief gully. There's sort of, you know, there's waste all over the pavers. It's dried up now, but we'll send the jet down, we'll give the line a flush and we'll come back and we'll give these pavers a good clean down. Now, if you haven't subscribed, have you thought about it? You're literally one click away from a life-changing experience, becoming part of the Drain Cleaning Australia family. I mean, we're all having a bloody blast, mate. So, look, the more the merrier, I say. Now, we're going to finish off jetting out this, guys, and then we're going to go to the suppliers. We're going to pick up some parts to repair the drain. As well, or is this an Australian thing, you know, fighting for a tiny little bit of shade? Here we are, it's only the size of a dog. Now guys, the time we're in, I don't know if it's a bloody issue in your country as well, but the supply issues over here, I mean, bloody hell, you know, we should have an inspection shaft mound for this, but all we've got is a cap and coupling. You can see the state of that old pipe, but yeah, supplies over here, guys, is bloody shocking. Bloody boom, installed. Now let's clean up those pavers, guys. Yeah, guys, just putting a bit of disinfectant down on these pavers, you know, give it a nice bloody clean. We'll get the gun out and give it a good spray. Now, I've seen some fellas going around with the pressure they got. You know, they couldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding. The pressure I got here, mate, I tell you what, bloody, you wouldn't want to chop your arm off with it. Well, if you did want to chop your arm off, it'd be bloody easy. So clean you could bloody eat off it, if you wanted to. Alright guys, we sorted that one out. Now, I'll tell you what, I stuffed up a couple of times today. I've hit the record button. Well, I thought I'd bloody hit it, hadn't I? And I hadn't. I'd bloody just been going about me business, chatting away to the camera, and turns out, nah, haven't bloody recorded anything. So, sorry if it's chip choppy. Bloody chip choppy? I don't even know what that means, mate. I should have said patchy, but I'm going to go with chip choppy. The footage has been bloody chip choppy today.
There's a mobile speed camera ahead.
Oh, well, thanks for the bloody heads up, love. Good on ya. Anyway, guys, I've got to shoot. I've got to head back to the beach. As you can hear, me personal assistant's just going nuts. So, guys, thanks again for tuning in. It's just been a bloody great day for a block train. And guys, as always, I'll catch yous bloody later.